Pics.by.Michael.
Hey everybody, it's Michael Coulombe with Pics.by.Michael. Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing video because I found this really cool product. I went to Cinegear Expo a couple weeks ago, and it's an expo that's geared towards people that do film and photography, which, you know, I work in the film industry, I do photography. And I have a sponsored photo shoot coming up with my friend Tyler Gallant, who is a hockey player turned actor model. And we were going to do a couple of shoots with some sunglass companies and some jewelry companies. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I saw this product and I wanted to get it. And it's a mini fogger. And I've never had a fog machine, especially, I mean, this thing's little. But it's come from a company called Vosentech. They're out of Philadelphia. And I was told it was going to take about 2 weeks to get here. I ordered it over the weekend. And I didn't even know it shipped, and it arrived literally within less than a week. So we're going to open it now because I think this device is really fascinating, and I want to use it for this shoot. And what's so great is they have it's hard to get into. They have a it's called a mini fogger light. It retails for about $140. They also have a more upscale one, which is sells for $190. I wanted to get that one, but it was on back order, and because I'm trying to do the photo shoot sooner than later, I decided to get the light version first. But I mean, it's fine. I think it's great. So see, look, it comes in a nice little box and package. Oh, and it says, look, share your photos with us at #microfogger. Nice little box, and it says you must read the instructions, so there's a QR code, so I'll definitely make sure to do that. But here's the thing. I think this is so, look at how little this is. This little fogger is supposed to fog up a whole room in like 3 to 4 minutes. This little guy, it looks like a vape. It's not a vape. It's a mini fogger. And, you know, we use fog machines a lot in movies. And I thought, because, you know, I want to do photography, I want to do more. I'd love to do more product photography. So I went ahead and I bought this. And so here comes with a little fogger. There's a little switch here. Yeah, it even says microfogger. So that's really cool. And then I bought this hose extra for like, I think $10 or $11. And it's supposed to bend and stuff, so that, you know, if you want to, I want to do some low-lying fog too, that's kind of creep towards a product. And so here's the hose that attaches it. And then it comes with a charger. And look, comes with 2 bottles of the fog liquid. 2 bottles. So it's all in here. And yeah, I mean, the fogger was like $140. This was about $11, and I think this was another $10, so it was like another $20 on top of that. But that's still cheaper than their other one. Oh, it also comes with this little valve, but it's wrapped up, so I don't want to break it. I'll undo it later after I read the instructions. But yeah, so this is the microfogger from Vosentech. I'm actually really excited. It comes in a small little box, so it's self-contained. And once I add more to it, I'll go ahead and they sell a case on their website, which I will link down in the comments below. But I will read the instructions and put it all together and learn how to use it. And then I plan on using it for, like I said, this photo shoot with Tyler. Hopefully we get some really cool photos and I can put them on magazines. Because I haven't had anything on a magazine in a few months, and I'm itching to get something. But with that said, yeah, I will check it out, and then I will show you those pictures and videos, and then I will do a nice follow-up review video on it soon. So, okay, that's Michael Coulombe with Pics.by.Michael. Have a great day.